Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. Today we will do GK of class 4 and the topics are Scientist and Know India. Now, children, let us start with the chapter Scientist. Turn to page 12. Children, while doing the exercises, I am also going to tell you some interesting facts about these scientists and their inventions. Okay. Number 1. Jagdish Chandra Bose is known for his research in plants. Okay. Plants is your answer. Jagdish Chandra Bose was born on 30th November 1858 and died on 23rd of November 1937. He was a biologist, physicist, botanist, and an early writer of science fiction. He pioneered the invention of radio and microwave optics. He made significant contribution to plant science. He invented crescograph, a device for measuring the growth of plants. Children, there is a crater on the moon which has been named in his honor. Okay. Number 2. S. Ramanujan was a great mathematician. S. Ramanujan or Srinivasa Ramanujan was born on 22nd of December 1887 and died on 26th of April 1920. He was an Indian mathematician who lived during the British rule in India. Though he had almost no formal training in pure mathematics, he made substantial contribution to mathematical analysis, number theory, infinite series, and continued fraction. Now, 3. Amartya Sen won the Nobel Prize for Economics. Amartya Sen was born on 3rd of November 1933. He is an Indian economist and philosopher. He was awarded Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Science in the year 1998 and India's Bharat Ratna in the year 1999 for his work in welfare economics. Number 4. Dr. Homi Jehangir Bhabha is known as the architect of nuclear science in India. He was born on 30th of October 1909 and died on 24th of January 1966. He was an Indian nuclear physicist, founding director and professor of physics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. He was known as the father of Indian nuclear program. He was also known as the architect of nuclear science in India. Bhabha was also the founding director of Atomic Energy Establishment, Trombay, which is now named as the Bhabha Atomic Research Center in his honor. Okay. Number 5. Shakuntala Devi was known as the human computer for solving complex mathematical problems in record time without any mechanical aid. She was born on 4th of November 1929 and died on 21st of April 2013. She was an Indian writer and mental calculator, popularly known as human computer. She strove to simplify maths for students. Her talent earned her a place in the year 1982 edition of the Guinness Book of World Records. Number 6. Narayan Murthy has built an IT empire in India which is called Infosys. Nagavara Ramarao Narayan Murthy is an Indian billionaire businessman. He is the co-founder of Infosys. Murthy has been listed among the 12 greatest entrepreneurs of our time by Fortune magazine. He has been described as the father of Indian IT sector by Time magazine due to his contribution to outsourcing in India. He has been honored with Padma Vibhushan in 2008 and Padma Shri in the year 2000. Number 7. Dr. Vikram Sarabhai started India's space program. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai was born on 12th of August 1919 and died on 30th of December 1971. He was an Indian physicist and astronomer who initiated space research and helped develop nuclear power in India. He was honored with Padma Bhushan in the year 1966 and Padma Vibhushan in the year 1972. He is internationally regarded as the father of Indian space program. Number 8. Dr. Devi Prasad Shetty is one of the best heart surgeons in the world. Answer is heart surgeons. Okay. He is a cardiac surgeon and entrepreneur. He is the chairman and founder of Narayana Health, a chain of 21 medical centers in India. He has performed more than 15,000 heart operations. In 2004, he was awarded the Padma Shri followed by Padma Bhushan in the year 2012 for his contribution to the field of affordable health care. Number 9. In ancient India, Charak laid the foundation of ayurvedic treatment. Charaka was one of the principal contributors of Ayurveda, a system of medicine and lifestyle developed in Indian subcontinent. He is known as the compiler or editor of the medical treatise, the Charaka Samhita. Number 10. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a nuclear scientist, was the President of India from 2002 to 2007. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th of October 1931 and died on 27th of July 2015. He was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He is known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. He also played a pivotal organizational, technical and political role in India's Pokhran II nuclear test in the year 1998. Now children, let us do the quick facts. Aryabhatta, Charak, Panini and Sushruta were ancient Indian scientists who made important contributions to mathematics, medicine and astronomy. More about one of the famous Indian scientists, Sir C.V. Raman, won the Nobel Prize for Physics. Sir M. Vishveshwara invented ways to control wastage of water from dams. Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian woman to enter the aerospace field. Now let's do another chapter, that is Know India. All of you turn to page 14. See, this is a picture of our country India. India, officially the Republic of India, is a country in the South Asia. It is the second most populous country, the seventh largest country by area, and most populous democracy in the world. Now children, let us see some interesting facts about our country India. See, this is a picture of a floating post office. India has the largest postal network. The floating post office in Dal Lake, Srinagar, was inaugurated in the year 2011. See, this is Kumbh Mela gathering visible from space. In the year 2011, Kumbh Mela was the largest gathering of people with over 75 million pilgrims. The gathering was so huge that the crowd was visible from space. The wettest inhabited place in the world is Mawsynram, a village on the Khasi Hills in Meghalaya. It receives the highest recorded average rainfall in the world. BANDRA-WORLI ceiling has steel wires equal to the Earth's circumference, a true engineering and architectural marvel. See, highest cricket ground in the world is in India. It is at an altitude of 2,444 meters. The Chail cricket ground in Chail, Himachal Pradesh. It is the highest in the world. It was built in 1893. The Indian national Kabaddi team has won all the World Cups. India has won all the 5 men's as well as women's Kabaddi World Cup held till now, have been undefeated throughout these tournaments. Water on the moon was discovered by India in the year 2009. India's ISRO Chandrayaan-1, using its moon mineralogy mapper, detected water on the moon for the first time. Science Day in Switzerland is dedicated to ex-Indian President APJ Abdul Kalam. The father of India's missile program had visited Switzerland back in 2006. Upon his arrival, Switzerland declared May 26th as Science Day. India is the world's second largest English-speaking country, only after USA. Astronaut Rakesh Sharma said, India looks सारे जहां से अच्छा from space. Former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi asked the first Indian in space, Rakesh Sharma, about how India looked from space. His response was our famous patriotic song, Sare Jahan Se Acha. Now, this is the picture of our national animal, tiger, national bird, peacock, and national flower, lotus. Now, these are the pictures of our country, India, and its neighboring countries. This is a picture of of our country, India, before independence. The red border are when the country was under British rule. This is the picture of our map, okay, Indian map. Now this is a picture of the currency, that is rupee. Indian currency is rupee. Now children, turn to page 14 and you will read with me, okay. India is located in Asia. India is the 7th largest country in the world in area. The total land area of India is 3.29 million square kilometer. India became free from the British rule on 15th of August 1947. The capital city of India is New Delhi. India is federal union comprising of 29 states and 7 union territories. The neighboring countries of India are Bangladesh, Bhutan, Myanmar, China, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. India has the highest mountain range in the world called the Himalayas. India is surrounded by water bodies on 3 sides: the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. The name India is derived from the river Indus. Rupee is the name of Indian currency. India has a parliamentary system of democracy. The tiger is the national animal, the peacock is the national bird, and the lotus is the national flower of India. Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem and Vande Mataram is the national song of India. Now children, let us do the quick facts. The Constitution of India came into force on 26th of January 1950. More about the climate of India could be termed as a tropical monsoon one. There are 4 seasons in our country: summer, March to June, southwest monsoon, June to September, and post monsoon, October to November, and winter, December to February. Children, hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you, children.